Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have the topic of my own server. This is my own server right now that we're playing on, and I am trying to recruit some loyal people that will help build the server. And if you want to build the server, just leave me a comment in the video saying, hey, I want to build the server, I want to help. And after the server is fully running and everything, right now, you'll get to have commands opt, and you'll be able to do whatever. I'm still building it, as you can see, but it's made it a long, far time, and I never thought to think, oh shoot, maybe the people on my channel could help me. Oh. So let's just see what we can do. If you guys can help, just leave me a comment. We'll get everything set up with you, and we'll see you guys later in like a couple minutes when I'm uploading the other one. Probably hour difference, but we'll see you guys later. Sorry that I haven't been uploading. Remember to join the Derp Army. How do you join the Derp Army? You hit that subscribe button. Like that. Brain fart. Leave a comment saying if you want to join or how your day was. Remember to punch the Joker in the face. Like that. In the face. Like, go crazy. Like that. See you guys later. Goodbye. Woohoo! Leave a comment.